Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritz. If you don't know me, let's get into the video. Okay, today I'm going to show you makeup regular routine and how to follow the routine so that your skin really glows every day. And if you follow this, trust me guys, it works wonders. So which I'm going to use this face for your hands, for everything you can use this. Next coming is this if you're going out you can apply, if you're at home also you can apply. This is very good. And this one cream is really rocking. And then this one is the sage cocoa butter body lotion. This you can apply for your hands and legs. And this one is a serum which I apply on my face. It is a natural face serum they are stating with berry goji extracts. So let's get into the video. I'll be showing you each and every one step by step so that you can follow every day and make your skin look glassy, glowing and wonderful. Yes guys, now I'm going to apply aloe vera gel. Suppose this is your face, this is the starting. Okay, first you need to apply very little amount of aloe vera gel. Okay, you can see this. Yes, okay, this you need to apply all over your face, eyes, necks, everywhere. Okay, after applying the primer, that is aloe vera, I'm going to apply this cream. This is bio coconut cream. Yes, can you see this is the bio coconut cream upon the aloe vera. Okay, so this will really make your skin glow guys. I'm telling you, use this 2-3 times a day. This will really work out. Okay, can you see the glow? I just put in front of you. That if you're going out you can apply this one. See, I've used it a lot, so it is this much only. So either that cream or this cream. I'm just to show you I'm applying this. Can you see this? I'm applying this. So this cream also will work one. So you have to apply the foundation like this and you don't need to rub it, just dab it. This is a wipe. Okay, just dab it so that your foundation will not become cakey. Remember that, don't rub it. And this is the body lotion. You need to apply on your hands, elbows, and I'm just showing the lotion. Don't apply on your face, just only for your hands. So fast guys, it has entered in the skin. 3 hours or 6 hours also if you maintain without putting water on your skin. So apply this on your lips because this is wonder guys. This okay, after this, okay, you need to rub it out properly on your lips and let it dry. Stick, you need to the excess amount. Okay, don't put anything excess. Primer and then foundation. You need to apply a lipstick. Okay, this is the way you need to start a lipstick. Okay, and then you need to come down. Yes, after this, suppose if it is excess, apply a light coat of foundation and remember guys, evenly. And then you have to apply your lip liner. Don't apply the lipstick like this. You have to apply a lip liner. Any lip liner you can apply. Now I'm just applying this as a lip liner. Okay, so you can just see how it is. This color is really good guys. So this one is just like a lip liner. After that I'll be doing something else. You'll just see the trick of applying this. Okay, now after applying this, internally on this layer itself you are going to apply this so that your lipstick will stay for a longer time. Okay guys, and this will look really beautiful if you can see this. And remember to apply it beautiful. So like this you can apply a lip liner also. And after this, last but not least, have this. This is a serum. This can be used everywhere because this is a natural serum. So it'll drop. Okay, this is a serum guys. This is a natural serum. Okay, can you just see, this is a natural serum I'm going to apply. You can apply anywhere. So this is a natural serum I'm applying. So just see the look guys. Can you just see? Wow, just see this. So this you can apply on your face, apply on lips, and this will act like a shimmer guys on your face and on your lips. Beautiful guys. So apart from this, well guys, if anything else is there to review, please let me know under the comment section. And apart from this, there's a giveaway on my channel every 25 days. So whoever is new to this channel, please participate and subscribe to my channel and put a like to my channel. And if you like this video, please put a like and comment me. I'll be noticing everything and I'll be checking. This is signing off. Friends, take care. Bye. Love you guys.